Hi, I'm Grace Entz, and for this Psych 112 Major and Career Plan presentation, I will be talking about a psychiatric nurse practitioner. While researching this, I was very interested to find out what a psychiatric nurse practitioner does. The most interesting to me was that they are able to treat people and be able to prescribe medication. Other things that they do is assess and diagnose patients, treat people with diagnosed disorders, and treat patients one-on-one. The educational steps that I will need to take in order to pursue this career is first getting a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing degree. The next thing that I'll need to do is gaining experience as a licensed registered nurse. The third thing and last, I will need to get a graduate's degree. A PhD is helpful, although it's not necessary, but it's helpful because it will help you to get a job. This fits into my 4-year plan, but I will have to change it slightly. I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to be doing, and just recently I decided that I would think about going into being a nurse practitioner. So if I choose that, I'll have to change my 4-year plan just slightly though. I've always been interested in psych and wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do. I knew that I wanted to work with people, and I knew that I didn't want to be a counselor, so I think that this fits well with that. Why am I majoring in psych? I'm majoring in psych just for now because it's only my second semester and I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to be doing, but I knew that I wanted to be involved in psychology, and it will come in handy if I do need to switch into a major more related to nursing. In chapter 13, it says there's a lot of diversity in psychology, so by majoring in psychology until I am able to become a nurse practitioner or until I have to change my major, then this will be very helpful because I will be able to learn a lot about a field that I'm interested in. Thank you.